Well, that was a cold night last night. I wasn't cold, but I wasn't comfortable. Saving grace is I've only got to get up, pack the gear, and get up onto the hill. Get the sunset tonight. That's just something I've always wanted to do, and hope it's all worth it. The 2 terrible nights of sleep. But for now, made a hot coffee. He cuddles it as if it's warm, but the Yeti insulates so well. The outside of this thing is still freaking freezing. And then we'll get to it. I always wanted to get some of those tranquil, peaceful shots and then completely ruin them by talking at the end. How'd we do? Did it end up well? Hey, were you sucked in? Was it beautiful? Did you give any thought about the poor bastard that's got to rock hop to try and get in and out of these positions? Huh? Or the guy that lost his firefly beanie to the blackberries trying to get in to film friggin' stacked stones in the river? I bet you bloody didn't. Have a look at this. I thought I'd check the weather. I don't know if you can read that, but that's hourly. So 8 is going to be 9 today, and then at 10 it's 17, and so on down the list. It's going to be a nice day. 21 at 2 o'clock this afternoon. I should be on the hill well and truly by then. Catch the sunset. It'll still be about 16 degrees, and then 13, 10, 8, 6, 4. Oh, and I've got to be up before then to catch the sunrise. This better be worth it. It will be worth it. Every experience is worth it. I've always wanted to do one of those hyperlapse, packing up your shit shots. So let's have a crack at that. There you go. Now I've done it. Don't expect that to ever happen again. Like ever. Well, we're at the start of the track. Isn't that exciting? But I'm getting to show you this hill before I go up it. Now I've done this track before. It's a bit of a thrill, but it's nothing too drastic. This time I am taking all my gear up onto that hill so I can camp there the night. Last time I took the horse. This time I'm taking the horse and cart. The old horse and buggy, and she's got a fat ass. There's a lot of gear here. How it is that I pack so much gear. This was a 2-day trip. I'm just packing too much? Admittedly, I do have a laptop in here and all that sort of jazz, so that's not today's problem. Today's problem is getting up this hill with all this gear. This is the one where I'll find out how good I'm going to get up with all this gear on, so ooh. Feel the weight in the back. That's going to be annoying. I am really having to push forward. Okay, we're going to stop here. Let's put the stand on. That's good. Turn Mr. Anderson around. Yeah. Come to me.
Daddy! I hear you. I hear you. Where are you?
Come to me, my love.
Come to me.
Daddy! Is it really you?
Nice.
Hold you.
Righto. Come with me, sir. heavy adventure bike. Let's just do it slowly, eh? He says as he comes up to what appears to be a first rutted hill. Yeah, see, this is the surprising rides that I'm going to have to be weary of. I come around a hill and I'm up it. Oh God, I'm so nervous. This little bit here. Oh, I just don't know. Oh, the front, she's lifting. I am so far forwards on this bike. I'm getting smacked in the face by the screen. I haven't put the screen down. Oh. Okay, so am I happy with where the weight is distributed? No. No. It just feels like it wants to lift. Right. Screen is down. Where's the tent? Oh, so I always carry the straps with me in case something fails in here. I've strapped the tent to the crash bar. So more weight, again, forward of like nearly at engine, nearly center mass. I'm hoping that's gonna make some difference. I'm running out of shit, I can move forward. Ugh. Put your mittens around your kittens and away we go. First downhill test will be an interesting test of bike and load. It looks like this is it. You can hear the engine braking. I'm not clutching. Just taking it nice and easy. Gold. I'm kind of a lot happier now than I was before, I can tell you that. Oh, look at the track over there. I don't know if you can see that. That's probably my track. That's where I'm going. How cool is that? We are up in it. Woo! Yep, this is my style. Just cruising. Oh, look, here we are. Oh my dear God. My Lord. That wasn't such a big deal now, was it? But have a look at it. Done it. Done it easy. Done it in the morning. I could chill out here all freaking day. Fuck yeah. This is me. This is us. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yes, you are. Unfreaking real. Have a look at it. Have a look at it. Oh yeah. Rode into shot. Did you see that? I rode into shot. Huh? No one's going to hear any of this. It's just me looking awesomely over my domain. Unreal. tour. The bike is holding up the tent. Solar panel is currently sucking charge into a couple of battery boxes, one for Mr. Anderson and one for the DJI. The tent is set up, and back here is a campfire. Now, I have collected a small amount of timber, just in case I feel the urge to fire that puppy up. It's likely. Why would you go to all that effort, be in this beautiful place, and not have a campfire? Would make no sense. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Listen carefully. I can hear my people. Oh, nice. Just me, the wasps, and the whiskey.
Sorry, Rod, what was that?
Whiskey.
You're saying it weird.
Saying what weird?
All of it.
Melts the soul. Definitely worse places to be. Good girl. People give you a lot of shit, but you're doing the thing you're meant to be doing. There's nothing left for it now. So, in the spirit of that, Slanjava. That'll do.